Page 41, Red River Valley. Introducing a new symbol. The C, the capital C thing, stands for common time because it means 4/4, which is like the most common time signature there is. So a lot of music will simply put in a C at the beginning, like you see in this piece. Rather than 4/4, they use the C. I use them interchangeably. To me, the C is unnecessary. You got 4/4, use it, but that's fine. At least you know what it means if you see it, I hope. This is in the key of G major. It's got one sharp, an F sharp, so all the Fs in this piece are automatically sharped unless they have a natural sign. And some of them do, so watch out for that. In the right hand, you follow their fingering. You're going to move around a little bit. You just follow the fingering, you'll get this. There's nothing too tricky about it, I don't think. And then the left hand, you got the chords. So just follow the chords. Look at the third line down. In the left hand, you're starting out with the G chord. And then the next measure, it's an F natural. Because without the natural sign, it should be an F sharp, because you got to sharpen the signature right here. And then in the last measure of that line, of the third line, you see the F sharp C. Once you go here, they put the sharp in parentheses. I explained this before. The sharp is not necessary because it's an F sharp anyway. They put it in parentheses because they're telling you they know it's not necessary. They're just being nice and reminding you, by the way, this is a sharp. Because you had an F natural earlier on, and they think you might think it's still an F natural. No, it's an F sharp. Let's try this. This is in 4/4 time, common time, with a 2-beat pickup. So I'm going to give us 2 counts and we'll play it. And you can get the first and second endings, you know about all that stuff, and the ties, and the phrasing, of course, just follow the sentences and the words. You'll get the phrasing. You can phrase it according to that. Bring out the melody, which is the right hand. What else can I think of? I don't know. Let's see. So the right hand starts here. Left hand's here. 2 beats. Ready, go. 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. 2, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. 2, 2. 4, 1, 2. 2, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Repeat. 2.